welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be doing this water bottle experiment. And in this experiment, what you'll need is basically a water bottle. You'll need its lid to be tightly on, and it could be any brand, any type of water bottle, but it has to be a water bottle which you could actually kind of bend and kind of, like crample, whatever you call it, just kind of bend it, right? And basically, yeah, that's basically all you need. And make sure the lid's tightly on, and the water should not be in the water bottle. I've already went ahead and done that, but you also have to make sure you don't do it. So now I'm just kind of starting to, bend the water bottle, and it's not easy. So I'm gonna keep on trying. Okay, guys. So I actually bent the thing, but the wrapper thing came off, and you might wanna hold on to your water bottle, or it might just be released. So let's try and open this and see if the cloud in a bottle thing works. So I'm opening it, and I'm really excited. I want to see if this works, and I don't see any cloud coming out. So guys, I didn't see a cloud, and I don't think this hack worked. I don't know if it worked for you. Comment down below if it worked for you, but for me, it didn't really work. I don't know if there's anything we did wrong, but I don't think this hack works. So as far as I could say, I'd say that it doesn't work. But if you still want to give it a go, then go right ahead and check out the hack to see if it works. Okay, so I'm just still squeezing it, trying to check if there is a cloud, but I don't think there's any hope left. It's already all out. So anyways, let's move on to our next hack. Okay, guys, for this next one, what you'll need is a plate, a cup of milk, just enough to spread all over the plate, a spoon, some food coloring, and some dish soap. And you might want to get different colors of food coloring to get a better result, but I'm only using green. So just pour your milk all over the plate, just enough to just cover it up, and use just a little bit because you won't be able to reuse the milk again. And then take your food coloring. It can be only one color, but if you want a stronger and better result, which I know works, use different colors, like maybe blue, red, yellow, a mix of colors, right? So that you could get that good strong result of like colors mixing. That's just a recommendation. And don't worry, I know it works, and I've done it a few times before. So it's not like my last experiment, like where I was doing it for the first time. And we might just do it again. And a little bit of it fell down, but it's okay. Now you might want to do it somewhere where it won't stain, so maybe do it in your kitchen countertop too, like I did. So what you want to do is take your dish soap and put it right in the middle. Okay, so you're gonna see it's not gonna be too impressive, but you're gonna see that little reaction. So guys, if you really, really focus on it, you might have actually seen that it kind of explodes. So now you see I added a bit more and nothing really happened. So if you add more, nothing's gonna happen. But what you want is a bit more mix of colors, and maybe one day I'll do that actually. Add a few more colors and actually get that big reaction. So that's one of my recommendations. Add more colors and basically they should be darker and a bit more noticeable. And the amount of dish soap doesn't really matter, preferably one drop of it, right? And the colors that you use doesn't matter either. You just want to see that little explosion kind of happen inside, and it's a really cool thing to see. Anyways, guys, those were my experiments for today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.